Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing how I made this Ogbono soup, which I added little okra to it. If you're a lover of okra soup, you'll definitely still love the soup. Please watch till the end to see how I made the soup. In my pot, I have my beef, and here I'll be going in with blended pepper. Then next, I'll be adding my seasoning cube. Here I'm adding my chopped onion. So I just added little water to this, just so our pot does not get burnt. I'll close my pot so that my beef can cook for some minutes, and this is what we're having here. I'll go in with my chopped cow skin. So I cut the cow skin into smaller sizes. If you want yours bigger, it's totally optional. Then I'll go in with my water. I added enough water here because this is the water I'll be using to cook the soup. The next thing I'll be adding is the palm oil. I'll just close my pot and I'll allow this cook for some minutes. Here I'll go in with the grinded ogbono. And here I'm going to add some salt to this. Then I'll go in with some crayfish. If you notice, our ogbono is getting thicker. The more it boils, the more thick it gets. I'll be adding some periwinkle to this, which is totally optional. There are some persons that don't like it, so you can skip it if you don't need it in your soup. Then I added my dried fish. This fish I added it late because it is already cooked, like it is already well dried. You can even eat it without cooking this fish. Next thing I'll be doing is to add my sliced okra. If you don't want okra in your soup, you can totally skip it. It's not compulsory, it's just optional. So I added the okra to this, and immediately I added my vegetable leaf, which is the ugu leaf. I'll give this a good mix and let to cook for like 2 minutes so it does not overcook. And our soup is ready. Please let me know what you think about this method of preparing ogbono soup. Is it something you'll be giving a try? If you also love this video, please don't forget to like. Don't also forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.